What if your smart home devices suddenly turned against you? Relying on high-tech gadgets for safety can lead to disaster when they fail you in critical moments. Many trust their smart devices blindly, especially during emergencies. But are you aware of the hidden dangers lurking behind those shiny screens? Believing that technology makes us invincible can be a perilous illusion. Imagine a storm hits your area, and you depend on your smart thermostat to keep you warm. A power outage renders it useless, leaving you in the cold. Your comfort evaporates in an instant. It's not just your thermostat at risk. Your smart security system falters when the internet goes down, leaving you exposed. You might think, "I'll just use my phone to check on things." But what if your smart app fails during an emergency? Suddenly you're cut off, and it's too late to do anything about it. These aren't just hypothetical scenarios, they are real risks that can spiral into chaos. Many overlook these vulnerabilities until they are faced with them. Notifications and alerts can stop without warning. What happens when they do? Picture being in a situation where your smart tech fails, lights flicker, alarms blare, and you are left scrambling. This is the dangerous game we play, trusting devices that can fail us in an instant. So, how can you prepare without falling into this trap? Start by recognizing that technology isn't foolproof. Develop a backup plan that doesn't rely solely on your devices. Keep manual tools handy and know how to use them. When the power goes out, can you still find your way? Do you have a non-digital method for staying connected? These questions are crucial. They can mean the difference between feeling helpless and being prepared. As you reflect on your reliance on smart gadgets, ask yourself, are you ready for the unexpected? It's time to take charge of your disaster preparedness and not leave your safety solely in the hands of technology. Stay alert to those warning signs in your tech. Your safety deserves more than just smart devices. It requires careful planning. What if I told you that the gadgets you rely on for safety in a crisis could actually put you at greater risk? It might sound surprising, but many people see smart technology as a lifesaver during emergencies, yet hidden risks beneath that sleek surface could leave you more vulnerable than you realize. Imagine a storm raging outside. You feel secure because you can monitor everything from your phone. But what happens when your Wi-Fi goes down? Suddenly, those smart devices you counted on become useless. Let's dive deeper. Deeper. Many assume that everything is automatically backed up, but is that really the case? Think about relying on a smart security system. What if it fails due to a power outage? Your safety could be compromised in an instant, and you might not even notice. It gets even more concerning. Consider all those app updates and software patches. How often do you check if they're current? Missing just one crucial update could leave you vulnerable to hackers. What if someone accessed your home while you thought you were safe? And let's not forget about compatibility issues. Have you ever struggled to connect a gadget? In a crisis, every second counts. Imagine grappling with your devices while chaos unfolds around you. Frustration is real, and the stakes are high. You might be wondering how to protect your smart tech. It's not just about buying the latest gadgets. You need a solid plan. Think about diversifying your tools. Relying solely on digital devices can put you in a tough spot. Analog options, like handwritten checklists or traditional radios, can be lifesavers when technology fails. As we wrap up, take a moment to reflect. Are you truly prepared, or just feeling comfortable. The overlooked dangers of smart tech in disaster planning could mean the difference between safety and chaos when it matters most. If you found this information helpful, it might be time to reassess your tech setup. Don't wait until it's too late. Have you ever considered the hidden risks of your smart gadgets? Those devices designed to make life easier could actually jeopardize your disaster preparedness plans. Imagine a storm rolling in while you rely on your smart home system for alerts and updates. Sounds convenient, right? But what if that same device, which keeps you informed, also exposes you to unseen dangers? Many people don't realize that the technology they trust can turn into a ticking time bomb during a crisis. It's not just about convenience anymore, it's about safety. And that's where the real concern lies. Picture this: your smart thermostat goes offline during a heat wave, leaving you to face rising temperatures because that gadget decided to stop working. Or think about your security cameras failing to stream at a crucial moment, leaving you in the dark, both literally and figuratively. Those smart devices might not be as reliable as they seem. Let's dig a little deeper. Most people believe their devices are self-sufficient, but many actually depend on the cloud. During a disaster, internet outages can cut you off from essential information. When that connection is lost, you are left with a false sense of security. Imagine a fire breaking out and your smart smoke detector decides to take a break. No alerts, just panic. In moments of crisis, these gadgets can let you down in unexpected ways. Here's a surprising twist: even with the best intentions, we can create problems. We focus so much on making life easier with technology that we often overlook basic safety measures. A simple backup plan could be your best defense. So, what can you do? It's all about finding a balance. Consider investing in devices with offline capabilities and ensure you have manual backups for situations